These are the things we need for the tutorial. I have the two front pieces of the trouser. I have the two zipper fly. They are 9 inches long by 2 inches wide. One is on fold while the other one is single one. I have my hair stain. I'll be ironing into the two zipper fly to make them thick. And I also have my zip. After ironing the hair stain to the zipper fly, this is what I have. I'll be folding the bigger one into two like this. Now iron it out. Now I'm taking them to the overlock machine to weave them around. After weaving, you can see what I have here. I'll place them aside and bring the two front pieces of the trouser. I'm going to measure down 7 inches. Now I'm going to sew it from this point downwards. After sewing, this is what I have. I also went ahead to use the overlock machine to weave it. You open it up like this. Now I'll bring my zip. I open up my zip. This part of the zip, I'm going to face it to the material, right sides facing each other, just like the way you see me doing it. Then I'll sew it down. After sewing, guys, you can see what I have here. Now I'll bring one of my zipper fly, the one of fold, and I'll place it on it like this, and I'll sew it down as well. After sewing, this is what I have. I'm going to bring the other part of the zipper fly, and I'll face my material right side facing down like this. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So I'm going to be placing the zipper fly to the material right sides facing each other. And I'll sew it down. Now I'm going to open it up and run another stitch on it. You can see what I'm doing. Now after doing that, I'm going to, you can see what I have. I'm going to take it to the ironing table to iron it out. This is what I have after ironing. Let's see what we have now. See how the back is looking. I'll open up my zip, and I'm going to be sewing this other part of the zip to this part of the zipper fly, just like the way you see me doing it. I'm going to sew it down. After sewing, this is what I have. I'll zip it up. You can see how it's coming out already. Now I'm going to be running stitches on it like this, just the way you see me doing it. But before I do that, I'll turn it back and pin this part of the zipper fly to the material, because I'm not going to be running stitches on this one. In order not to mistakenly do that, so I have to pin it out of the way. This is what I have after sewing. Now I'm going to remove the pin. I'll bring these two pieces together like this, and I'll sew it down. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. You can see what we have after ironing it out. This is the finished look. Please give me thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.